beginner lift. So.
I know, but still, it's like...
Hey, you can see the bike park.
Wow. A lot of brown.
Yep.
That's a pretty good setup there to just walk across the bridge.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
No.
Yeah. Ski and ski out is just so nice. Sort of not having to deal with your car to start. It's just sort of fun. Fuck, it doesn't feel like that long that we were last on skis. It's nice.
Yeah, that's true. Thought you were gonna say like it doesn't feel that long ago that we were here.
It feels like a long time ago since we were here.
It's been almost a year.
Yeah, what do you think? I mean, it feels like a long time.
Yeah.
So different. It's like pandemic-wise.
That's true. And also snow, it looked a lot different.
Well, this wasn't even open.
Yeah.
Wasn't this all brown? Probably.
Probably not.
No?
Because they just gotten that storm.
Oh, yeah.
You can cover a lot with 14 inches, Dad.
Wow, can't believe they're still blowing snow on Superstar.
Yeah, they're doing all they can.
Oh, it's cold out.
Yeah.
We got Nick. When we had breakfast.
Yeah.
They put us. Actually, we ended up sitting at the exact same table.
Right.
And at the big table, kind of behind where you were sitting, there was a dad with 3 little kids. And how old would you say they were? Like
Five,
3, and
five.
1.
No, the 2 kids looked like they were twins.
Oh, okay. So 4 or 5 and like an infant.
Yeah.
Like a 1-year-old.
Yeah.
And both kids had iPads or whatever the equivalent is for
iPads.
What's that?
iPads, yeah.
iPads. They're both watching TV, blaring, no headphones. And then the baby is like whatever. I was just like, I sat down like, oh my God. It's like, because we had this happen at Brentwood's too. It was really sort of sad. Family of 3 kids too. Kids were walking into the main dining room with their headphones already on, the iPads. It's like, seriously, you guys can't come down and have dinner with your kids for like, it's not like it's a 2-hour production. It's like, I don't know. It just sort of kind of bums me out, but it's also like today was more annoying because they were playing their things so loud. It's like, seriously? It's like, you should not have 3 kids if you can't control them. What the hell? All right, let's
definitely a problem for like Walker's age, but even for my age, like guys my age, like don't stay off their phone during dinner. When we're eating meals and things like that, it's like really.
It makes.
I hate when people put their phones on the table.
Well, like the only thing on that is sometimes it's really hard to put it in your pocket because it's so freaking big. But I hear you. I try not to do that, or what I'll do is I'll put my glasses case over it because I'm only putting it. Let's take a left.
Northbrook Quad.